And one voter says, I just want to send a message. I think the Democratic Party is nuts at the moment, and the only way I can send that message is with my vote. And then another voter responds to that, yeah, the progressives have taken over the Democratic Party. I just want you to respond to that and to the broader criticisms that the administration is being moved too far to the left, and that could present challenges down the road for you.
Well, I'm not going to respond to individual people in focus groups, but I will tell you that the president's view and our view is that his agenda is one that is broadly popular in the country among many progressives, but also among many moderates and, frankly, many Republicans who are maybe not sitting in this zip code, but are members of the public writ large. And that's because negotiating the price of prescription drugs is something people think is long overdue. That's because a lot of people can't afford the cost of childcare. It is prohibitively expensive. That is why 2 million women, in part why 2 million women are not in the workforce. A lot of people don't know how to afford elder care, especially when they're paying also for childcare. People don't know how to get universal pre-K for their kids, or they can't afford to do it. They put them in daycare, making them less likely, by data, less likely to graduate from college. Those are things that are American issues. They're not Democratic or progressive issues, and his agenda is broadly popular across the spectrum. We also know that that there are challenges that the American people is going through a lot right now. And we've talked about this before, but obviously we're at a point where we're still fighting a pandemic. We didn't think we'd still be there. That's frustrating to people, no matter what wing of the party or whether you're a Republican. It's frustrating to everybody. We certainly understand that, and we know that's why we need to focus on getting the pandemic under control and continuing to address costs.
That actually gets to my